Mike Quincy, April 6, 2018. Part 1. Dear friends, here is another message that contains much needed information that is important for those who are intent on raising their vibrations. Kryon touches upon awakening to the God inside, awareness of a new energy, that we can expect healing and change, and balance is being created. Kryon says, compassion is the king. There is surprising news about our ancestors, and we have the first indication of tens of thousands of entities and beings coming to Earth to help us, and it is being flooded with light. Kryon. 2018. Why light beings are arriving by the tens and thousands to assist light workers. God is inside every single human being to the fullest degree that humans will allow it. Instead of compartmentalizing your meditations, your prayer time or your channeling, it is always there, always available, so it is not just a church experience, it is not a reporting on Sunday experience, it is a 24-hour/7 days a week experience. As you sleep there is a blessing of your dreams, and when you awaken in the morning, you feel it and you know there is no switch to be turned by a human being, it wants to honor God. What can you do for this planet? Your being here is enough. Do you know what it means to the planet to have a human dynamo, a generator of light living here with the experience that you have had, where you have done that and you have solved the problems, and you have had thousands of lifetimes in both genders, you have done it, and your very existence is light for the planet. I am going to give you some attributes to make that light shine in a time when we need it, because this is your time, but do not ever ask what you should do, you have done it. No matter what your age, it does not matter, the light is multidimensional, it will carry over the gap of death. Some of you will plant things which will remain on the planet forever, because consciousness stays. The things you do and say are remembered by humans, and sometimes it will change their lives, just by the way you say it and how you act and what you do. Sometimes there will be a person riding along with you watching how you react to somebody else on the motorway perhaps who is not as kind, and they will never forget your reaction of compassion instead of anger. They may even mold themselves after you and you will never know it. You are influential because of who you are, experienced, and it shows, and what it often does is taint you, and you know it does, and you expect more from people. It is not about what you do next, it is about how to be. You are beginning to awaken to the God inside, and it has so many forms, for there are so many civilizations that you have been through. Relax and know you are here for a purpose, and being here is enough. Fear will shut you down, but it will eventually be chased away by you, holding light at home, at work, at play, and practicing compassionate action on this planet. Do not despair, that is primary acceptance of a quality that has not been here before. This energy is creating benevolence in all aspects of your life. Your consciousness and the change of it, and your belief of it, and your acceptance of it triggers things that have not been here before. There is energy now on the planet being flooded with light. There are actually entities and beings coming here by the tens of thousands at light speed, you might say for your benefit, and you have no description for them, and there is nothing we have ever told you about them before. But it is not to change who you are, you have got help. You walk outside and step on the earth, and it is different because you are an old soul. Your free choice has given you an advantage for the first time of awareness of a new energy that is occurring, and this legion of light beings is going to start helping you in all things. There is more acceptance today from the general civilization of your shamanic energy and your compassionate spirit than at any time in human history. Believe in the benevolent source that is going to help you to your next step, you have never had it before. Start pushing on the doors that you think have been closed forever, and about what you might do, or what others might think of you, and you are now going to find acceptance. Do not be surprised if your light is seen differently than it ever was before. Do not isolate yourselves from the rest of the world. Your personality is becoming softer, less critical, more loving, more benevolent. As soon as you start looking at things differently and you say to your cellular structure, your Merkaba, to the God inside, I am changing, I am more compassionate, I am more aware, I am that I am, all lights up, and you no longer walk around in the dark, because those who need to see your light will be attracted to you, and the entities I have talked about and all those who are flying to Earth to help, will be attracted to this consciousness, and you are going to be lifted, and it is going to Be easier. Do the hardest thing you can ever do, go back and be with the relatives and be peaceful with it. Some of them know what you represent, that perhaps you left the fold, left your religion, left the belief system. They sometimes see you odd and strange, that is changeable with compassion, because the action you have which is compassionate is what they will see. Do not tell them about Kryon, do not tell them about the Pleiadians, do not tell them anything, show them love. Your compassion will do more for this planet more than any other single thing, it is the light source. It is not your job to make them come to a meeting, it is not your job to take a human being and convince them you are right, it is not your job to do anything but love humanity, in a way that is so attractive that they will want to be next to you again, and they will someday look at you, they will ask, what have you got that I do not have that I have not been? You can tell them you have God inside without a doctrine perhaps, without a building perhaps. This is the army of light that is going to win this world. The actual truth is that consciousness is over physics and is always able to change it. Your compassion will be seen as a driving force of this planet. Compassion is the king, you are going to do more with your compassion than any channeler or healer. Sound, consciousness and color, all these things have energies. Your consciousness with your voice speaking to your reality in your cells, saying the things you want them to hear, do it in the first person, I am. Perhaps you should wake up in the morning and say, I am healed, I am getting a good night's sleep, I am pleased and celebrate this day. Say every morning, I am pleased, meaning you are happy with your existence, and you are celebrating the day. Develop affirmations in the first person positive, and start saying out loudly, let your ears hear who you are. In your cellular structure there is data that has antennas out just waiting to hear from the boss. Say, I am healed, I am benevolent, I am compassionate, I am happy in my existence, it is well with my soul, that is powerful, and everything you do along that line will collect light. You will start to change faster than you have ever changed before, expect healing and change in your life that is faster than ever before. Let the proof of my words be in how fast this occurs, and you will know that a benevolent energy that is attaching itself to you is so good. God is going to get bigger for your light workers, army of light. One more, and this is tough, it is out of your culture, it is out of your civilization, it is not in your tradition. I want you to start honoring your ancestors, I want you to be abstract, having no reference to material objects. Your ancestors are your spiritual family, and some of them are you in past lives. I want you to honor the process of ancestry. Reincarnation begets families who then become reincarnated, some of them are your ancestors, you do not know their names, you cannot picture them, you do not even have photographs, but the concept is to honor those who came before you, some of whom are you, and do it every day. It is a return to the old traditions, it is honored by God, it is a way that your free choice is saying I understand the system, it is beautiful, it is benevolent and I honor it. It could not be clearer, and we have not heard that from you in this society in hundreds of years. In the morning, in some place where you cannot be heard, say thank you to your ancestors for bringing you here now at this time. It is personal, and the point I wanted to tell you about is that the energy of the future is not about grandiose things, it is about you today. Think about these things, be aware of them. If you work with this, dear old soul, you will have results. I promise if you have pure intent to make it work, you are going to see results. It is time to stop the worry of the drama, stay away from what I would call voluntary negative attributes. This is negativity that you voluntarily participate in and you may not even be aware of it. Does what is on television offend your heart? Then turn it off, and if you need to know what is going on in the world, get a magazine or use the internet. You can go at your own pace and see what you need to see, not what others think you need to see. If you are in a room and they wish to gossip, do not participate in the negativity, leave. If you cannot be compassionate instead of criticizing, do not participate in the negativity and it will shut it down. Dear ones, watch it happen. When you do not participate in the circle that is moving and spinning, it stops. These are things you could do every day as a light worker. When you walk into a drama, walk out. If you see it developing, stop it by compassionate action. Do not defend yourself, it does not help. Be compassionate if someone calls you names, it is their problem, not yours. Be compassionate with them having a bad day. Dear ones, there are ways where you can change who you are and they will notice. They will not say it, but they will see you as a little more mature than they are. Then they will be surprised if they decide to emulate it, because it is really attractive. Light is attractive, benevolence and beauty is attractive more than ever before, and the old soul knows more about it than anyone on the planet as to how to make it work, and so it is. Kryon. End of edited message from the Kryon. I leave you with love and blessings, and may the light brighten your days and path to completion. This message comes through my higher self, my God self, and every soul has the same connection to God. Part 2. Dear friends, I came across this message in my file, and in view of the period of change we have just entered, it is now more relevant than ever, by giving us a clear view of what to expect in the near future. Andromedan Council, November 27, 2011. Questions put to the Andromedan Council. How will Earth people change as we become new 4D humans? Answer: the most important thing to realize is that the transformation, the transition from 3D to 4D, from being a 3D person to a 4D person will be a smooth, seamless, painless process. This experience will be a simple transformation of cellular structure, from the slower, more dense, heavier existing 3D vibratory body you have today, to a higher, faster, lighter 4D vibratory rate. You will have a body that is taller, literally lighter in terms of mass, weight, and density, about 1/10 of what you weigh now. Keep in mind your body's molecular cellular structure will actually change. Think crystal-based molecules. Your existing 3D cell walls will transmute into being crystalline-based. Your 4D body will be based on crystalline molecules, no longer carbon-based, but crystal-based. Within the core, the center of each cell, it will be infused with light. Your 4D bodies will really be very translucent. This is a natural fourth-dimensional, fourth-density state. Everyone will be relatively tall and slim in stature. This is simply the nature of having a crystalline cellular structure. You will also be lighter, in terms of being infused with light, not opaque as you are like today, not completely translucent, but very translucent. Your children will transform as well. But in terms of age appearance, they will continue to develop as young adults, only now along the adjusted, normal, timeline, of thousands of years for fourth-dimensional people. For most adults who chose to remain on Earth during this time of change, you will look approximately in the 32 to 35-year-old age range. In terms of height, for a comparison, an average 3D male will be about 7 feet tall. This is the average height for a 4D man. A 5'5" to 5'6", 3D Earth woman will likely be about 6'2", living a 4D life. An average 4D Earth man will weigh in Earth terms about 10 to 15 pounds. An average 4D Earth woman will weigh about 5 to 7 pounds. Everyone will be relatively trim, tall, slim in stature. Again, this is due to the nature of having a body composed of a crystalline cellular structure. In terms of overall health, 4D Earth humans will be healthy, very healthy, full of light. With your solar system and Earth's migration into the fourth dimension zone of space, 3D diseases will all be literally eradicated. If we are this healthy, and with the eradication of 3D Earth diseases, how long will we live as 4D Earth humans? Answer: you will like this answer. Typically, as you currently measure time on Earth, human beings living a 4D life spend a minimum of 6,000 years, to a maximum of 10,000 years, living a fourth-dimensional life. Also understand that there are 12 octaves of awareness and learning in each dimension, from the 4D fourth dimension on up. There is a lot to experience. Please keep in mind the use of these numbers in years is to give you an approximation based on how Earth people measure time today. However, also keep in mind the way you currently measure time on Earth. This will change once Earth becomes a completely 4D planet. Watching, measuring, experiencing time, this will virtually go away. In any case, you will live very, very long lives before you move on to the 5D, fifth dimension. The plan for this to completely come into effect was originally by the January 20, 2014. We understand the complete curing of physical health. But again, what about people with autism, retardation, syndromes, people who are mentally ill? Answer: I certainly understand the seriousness of this issue. They, medical/healthcare team on the primary biosphere who will help, assist, and counsel people who are having a difficult time adjusting to the differences of fourth-dimensional life, and in addition what we would consider either severe psychiatric, deep emotional issues, shock or trauma, or people with autism, retardation, syndromes, varying degrees of mental illness, people with these afflictions who you are rightfully concerned about. They have the ability to choose, or a responsible party can choose for them, to heal their fine matter consciousness, this thing we call the mind, where these issues are lodged. Please understand this is literally a spiritual vibratory issue, and the medical/healthcare team on the primary biosphere, or any of the other 11 Andromeda Council flagged biospheres stationed in Earth's solar system, these teams can use various resonating sonic frequencies and techniques to attenuate, adjust, and correct the dysfunctions, and repair the broken pathways of the fine matter, wiring, of these people's minds. There are a variety of modalities that can be used in combination to help cure these people. They are curable. It will take some counseling, a little extra care and gentle attention after the medical work, the attunements are done and completed. These people, like everyone else, will be fine. If our current bodies are transforming into new 4D bodies, and you have said that 3D Earth diseases will be eradicated, what about those of us with bad or missing teeth, various syndromes, muscular dystrophy, ALS, cerebral palsy, or those people with mental illness, those of us who are back from the various Gulf Wars in Afghanistan with missing hands, fingers, arms, legs? What about all of us? Answer: from the Chief Medical Officer of the Andromeda Council Biosphere, she says, many people have asked this kind of question. Yes, transformation of your 3D body into a 4D body will eradicate the existing illnesses and all diseases, and your bodies including birth defects, various syndromes, your loss of limbs, bad or missing teeth, malfunctioning hearing or defective eyes, and old age, all of these will all be remedied. Again, remember you are being transformed. You will have a full, complete, healthy body. What do you mean we move on to the 5D, onto the 5th dimension, when do we die? Answer: no, you misunderstand. That's the point. You don't die. Remember, time doesn't exist from the 4D, 4th dimension on upwards. You don't experience time. And people, Earth people living a 4D life do not die. A person can choose by really extraordinary circumstances to be extinguished, but this is very, very rare. When a 4D person gets to the point when he or she is 6,000 to 10,000 years old, when he or she feels they have learned enough and contributed enough to society, when the moment is right for them, they simply choose to move on, and transition to 5D, the 5th dimension, a slightly higher frequency of vibratory awareness. For a new set of challenges, a new set of learning experiences. It is a transition, a change in vibration. This transition from 4D, the 4th, to 5D, the 5th, is simply about moving into a higher vibration and capabilities, when the moment is right for him/her. Further, the actual capabilities one has once he/she becomes a 5D, a 5th dimensional human, are only a couple of degrees enhanced above the upper capabilities of the 4D, the 4th dimension. In any case, moving on from one dimension to the next is only about having many experiences, learning many, many things, and then making a simple choice to move on, to change. You do not die, I repeat, you do not die, but experience a transition to a new lighter body. End of message. I feel quite excited at the thought of the changes that are coming. Ill health and death will be eliminated and we will enjoy all of the benefits that a new age can bring us. The Andromedans are one of the 4 main groups of extraterrestrials that are closely connected to us in our development. It is very uplifting to know that our future path is already in place. It may be a way off now, but it is waiting for our arrival. The light on earth is increasing and drawing away from all that is of the lower vibrations. Think positively and help manifest the higher vibrations in our peaceful future as quick as possible. In love and light. Mike Quincy. Website, Tree of the Golden Light. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post another video. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe.